Who's able to keep an overview here? Where's that screw I'm looking for? And once I found the right box with the right screw, who can tell me whether that box is empty or still filled? Within small and medium manufacturing enterprises, warehouses like the one you just saw are rather the norm than the exception. And I mean, we're not talking about random SMEs. We're talking about the backbone of the German economy. Despite of being recognized as the world market leaders within their niche segments, these SMEs' warehouses' digitization level is often close to zero. As a result, employees spend their time with searching for C-parts, doing inventory or fulfilling reordering processes rather than creating value for the company. This in turn leads to an enormous decrease of production efficiency, ultimately resulting in a loss of competitiveness.
Experiencing these outlined problems in our industry projects, we thought there must be an easy and cheap solution to solve this problem. Everyone talks about Industry 4.0 and digitalization, but here it would be a useful case to apply it. And so we developed the smart shelf. The smart shelves consist out of a highest resolution pressure sensor which detects the weight of each C-part box in the shelf. Coming with integrated RFID technology, our system is able to determine the position of each C-part box in our shelves. This way your warehouse becomes fully digitalized and thereby completely transparent. Based on these collected data, material flows can be analyzed. And the best thing about it is the underlying technology is cheap to produce and easy to implement.
Another advantage for our customers is that the smart pads are applied as an add-on solution to the existing hardwares, so customers do not have to exchange anything in their C-part storage. As soon as that happens, our mobile app provides the exact location of any part at any time. In addition to the details of every C-part, our browser-based software provides a high-level access to the overall status of the C-part storage. Therefore, automatic order placements can be directly pushed to external C-part providers. In this way, we are enabling our customers to participate in the profits of digitization and being highly competitive in the future. Therefore, our support is not linked to a high initial invest. Instead, customers can rent our system on a fixed price per square meter and month, reducing the initial barrier to overcome for the digitization. Based on the data we are collecting from your C-part storage, we can offer additional services such as efficient layout of your warehousing and optimization of the general material flow. Our cash flow is driven by two main factors. One, the monthly rental of our system, and second, the additional booking of our optimization services.
This is how everyone is able to digitize its warehouse. But who is everyone? In Germany, there are about 70,000 manufacturing SMEs. About half of them do not use any digitization approach when it comes to their C-part storage. Each of these SMEs has an average storage capacity of about 500 square meters. Together with our optimization services, this results in an annual revenue stream of about €500 million. We at KonSenT want to make German manufacturing SMEs the pioneers of digitization. If you want to join us on our digitization journey, we would be happy about you getting in touch.